nice car.
Yeah, it's all right. It's all we could get. Really wanted a Toyota, but instead we got this Tesla.
What's wrong with it?
Yeah, it's not a Toyota.
Guess not.
Yeah, this was a gift from Muskie.
Elon?
Yeah, we call him Muskie.
I don't know, it's quite comfortable. I like it.
Yeah, it drives well.
What kind of fuel?
Well, mostly we use dino shit.
Again, for this as well?
Yeah, you'll be making that, in your office, in the greenhouse and in the lab. Yeah, it's all part of the job.
All this shitty work. I haven't signed up for that.
Yeah, it's a shitty job, but, somebody's got to do it.
Yes. Whoa, look, is that what I think it is?
Oh, yeah, prevalence.
The prevalence?
Yeah, it's still going. We don't know what it's doing at this point, just sort of drifts around. But, we do use it as surveillance to keep an eye on them dinos.
Fast.
Yeah, I know. It keeps picking up speed. We don't know why. Every week, a little more speed. Last month it was doing about 60. Now it's doing about 205.
Solar power?
Yeah, it's solar power. Every once in a while when it runs out, we'll go and fill it with dino shit and get it going again. Runs on all kinds of fuel, to be honest. One time I found the prevalence just sitting still. Went and pissed in the tank. Thing took right off again.
Really?
Yeah, that thing will run on anything.
So, are we going?
Yeah, let's go. Buckle up. You better be ready, because this thing's got some get up and go. Go!
Wow! Yeah. It's not bad.
Yeah, not bad. Yeah. Yep. Since we got this thing, boy, it's been a lot more fun around here, I'll tell you.
It's kind of bumpy. Is it kind of dino path?
Yeah, we pretty much just traveled the way of the dinosaur, as they cut a path. We just use it for road,
Are we there yet?
Well, here it is.
Dinosaur?
Dinosaur. Be careful when you're getting out. Come out, guns drawn, ready to go.
Knife or axe?
If you got it, use it.
But they are so big.
Yeah, they're big. And first, they're not there, and then they're everywhere.
Are they that fast?
They are so fast.
I don't like it.
Well, gotta learn to like it. It's part of the territory.